The morning horizon is gushing with red, as Albion's hardships have come to a head. In these days of troubles, of treason and wars, the king's throne was left in eternal repose. The once quiet whisper is now clear to hear, its sound bringing heartache and crippling fear. And such bitter sadness is hard to endure. The monarch left Britain forever for sure. Deceived by a bloody and violent court, the nation beheaded itself in tumult, and with red flag flying, with none to oppose, the story of Britain